And today on Have a Nice Day, we're here at CCKS Spring 2026 in Costa Mesa, California. We're at the booth of Mitsuyuki. Please introduce yourself and let's see what you brought to the show today.
My name is Ross Mitsuyuki. I'm from Hawaii, and I make mostly folders, and I got some fixed blade, one fixed blade. That one right there is camel bone mokume with Sanmai VG10 steel.
This one is Dragon.
Yeah, I did the hand engraving on that. And that one's CPM 154 with flying dragons. And this one right here is the Hokulea, the ship that they were going navigating all over South Pacific.
So this is one of the traditional Hawaiian
boats.
That took a lot of nerve.
Yeah.
I tell you what.
And these are like my new design upside down knife flippers, one hand flippers. And that one is tamarind wood.
Tamarina wood?
Tamarind, yeah. The Filipinos use that, take the bean and they make soup with it. And
this one has laser engraved hammerhead sharks.
No, it's all hand engraved.
Engraved.
Yeah. I don't do laser.
Oh, you don't do laser. So that's even more impressive knowing that.
Yeah, I drew each one by hand, and then I engrave it, and then I anodize it.
Wow.
So it's all drawn by hand. That one's koa, Hawaiian curly koa. This is desert ironwood with a Japanese samurai on the front, and then Japanese geisha on the back.
And it's even more amazing to realize that you did that all by hand.
Yeah, I drew it. That's the hardest part, drawing it.
I would imagine so. Oh, gosh.
On a small little canvas. And this one, I believe it's Tahitian girl. Tahitian girl with the Hawaiian Islands with Hawaiian curly koa wood. That one's a lion with Hawaiian curly koa, CPM 154. And I got tiger coral. And this one is a food dog and a koi on the back. That's excellent. And that's just a folder, stag sandbar folder, sandbar, VG10 Sanmai.
Very cool. Now, how can people get a hold of you? Are you on Instagram or anything like that?
I'm on Instagram, and my phone number is 808-778-5907.
All right. Thank you so much. If you see anything you like on the table, please give them a look. Have a great show and have a nice day. Thank you.
Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, get on.